Assalamu alaikum guys. Today's video is about how to use mask and what about things to care when you are using a mask, what type of mask is to be used and what type of masks are not to be used. So let's start the video. If you are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you can subscribe and you can support the owner and you can see more videos like this. So let's begin with this. The first of all, I've just shown you a simple mask. This is a 3-layer mask with 3 layers, a common pin in this one for the nose bracket and a layer in which you can simply wear this mask on your nose. So I have broken down this mask, teared it apart just to show that this is a 3-level mask, and so that you can understand what is a 3 and what is a 2-layer mask, the difference between them. So if we can tear this upon, you can see there are more than one layers. This is the first layer, the white one. You can see it is made up of this white layer, and then this is the center layer, which is very thick, and then this is the border layer. So what is the difference between a 3-layer mask and a 2-layer or a single layer? Let us proceed to CDC website for their guidelines and look at different types of masks which are advisable and which are not. So guys, this is the guidelines for wearing a mask given by CDC. Let us quickly scroll down and move to the point where we would discuss different types of masks, the evidence, and after research they have found that the following types are recommended. For example, this is a surgical mask. I've just shown you a surgical mask with 3 type of skins with it. These masks are very simple and very cheap and disposable, easy to find masks. Just simply buy them and you can wear them. Then there are those masks which tight fit and they are snuggy to the nose chin, and no gaps are to be found between your mask and your skin. So these are recommended masks. Then there are masks which have breathable fiber. They have dotted skinny things and colorful in nature, but they are tightly wrapped around your skin. So these are advisable masks. Then there are a few masks which are made up of stuff like cotton, or they are masks with small minute holes. These skinny holes can increase breathing and they are easy to use. Then these are 3-layer masks. I've just torn apart a mask to show you that what is a 3-layered mask. Then there are 2-layered masks. So these type of masks are highly recommended by the government to use. And why these are recommended? Because these have got the specific requirements to be safe from COVID-19. Now let us see which type of masks are not recommended. This is a mask which has small gap beside skin, and these are found in different colors. You can see that the difference between skin and the body, your body and the mask, can be a place where microbes can sit and create destruction. Then there are other mask materials such as these materials are like plastic or something like the carbon type of mask. These masks are not recommended because the breathing becomes very difficult when you wear such a mask. Then there are masks which are loosely woven or knitted. These fabrics are not good because there are a lot of spaces from where microbes can enter you, and those which come from your mouth can go to the other person. So these are not recommended masks. Then there are masks with a single layer. A single layer is not enough to stop these small particles coming out of our mouth. So you need not to wear these single layer masks. Then there are exhalation masks or vents. There are few industrial type of masks such as N95 or N91 mask. A prolonged use of these masks can be dangerous because once these masks are used, these small holes you can see a bracket, a notch on the mask, that black color. These can be a place where microbes can sit and relax, and after a certain period of time, because they are not reusable, you cannot just simply just wash them and use them again. So when you do such a thing, these areas can be destructive for oneself and others. So these type of masks are not recommended. And finally, wearing a scarf or a ski mask is not recommended because these are not tightly woven to your skin. It simply can get off from your skin, and you ultimately result in having the infection of COVID-19. Then there are few details around here for you to practice and keep safe. Now let us conclude this video on this remarks that wearing a mask simply is useful to avoid this disease such as COVID-19, as this is a unique disease and world has never been around to see such a disaster. But to keep yourself and your family safe from COVID-19, please wear masks and be safe. And things like these, the important point which have been extracted from this video and from research, is that any mask can be useful which has more than two layers of protection, or the mask which covers your whole skin and which touches your skin, so that there's no empty spaces around and there's no place for such viruses and bacteria to remain there. Use the mask for a limited period of time, and after the use, it is very important to destroy the mask after use. When you just throw them away, there are certain people and certain organizations which try to reuse them, which is very dangerous. So whenever you end up using a mask, it is disposable. Destroy the mask, torn it apart into two different pieces and throw them away. So this was the video for you. I hope you and your family remain safe. If you've enjoyed the videos, please subscribe to the channel, and we'll be bringing on certain more videos to support and help our people in this time of need. Thank you very much.